Cordless brad nailer. How much should you really spend? The cheap ones look fine online, but the expensive ones cost as much as a small compressor setup. And somehow, people are happy with both. What's actually going on here? Let's figure it out.
Product number 1, Bielmeier 2-in-1 Staple and Brad Nailer. This Bielmeier model caught my eye because it's not just a brad nailer, it's also a staple gun, and it comes in under $30. That's wild when you consider most cordless brad nailers start at triple that. It's lightweight at just 1.6 pounds, includes 1,200 staples and 400 nails, and charges via USB-C. If you want an ultra-affordable multi-use tool for light DIY or upholstery work, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs on a 1,500 mAh lithium battery and can fire up to 850 staples per charge, plenty for weekend projects like reupholstering a chair or fixing loose carpet edges. The bottom-loading magazine makes reloading fast, and the transparent window helps you avoid dry fires. It handles T50 staples from 1/4 to 9/16 inch, and brad nails from 9/16 to 5/8 inch, which covers most light trim and fabric tasks. Plus, no compressor means no noise or setup hassle. Now, some people complained about inconsistent nail depth and occasional jamming, especially when used on harder woods. Here's the thing though, this isn't built for heavy framing or baseboards. It's meant for soft materials like foam, fabric, and softwood. If you're using it outside that scope, yeah, it'll struggle. But for its intended use, it's shockingly capable. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer who wants one tool for upholstery, crafts, or light repairs. Skip this one if you're doing frequent trim work or need deep penetration into hard pine or oak. For under $30, it's hard to beat for occasional use.
Product number 2, DeWalt DCN 680B 20V Max XR. We're stepping into pro territory with the DeWalt DCN 680B. At nearly $350 tool only, this isn't an impulse buy, but it's built like a tank. It runs on DeWalt's 20V Max XR battery system, uses a brushless motor, and weighs 6.3 pounds. If you want a no-compromise, job site-ready brad nailer that never needs a hose, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brushless motor gives you longer runtime and better durability, meaning fewer battery swaps and less wear over time. The micro nose design improves visibility, so you can place nails accurately in tight spots, which is huge when installing crown molding or baseboards. Tool-free depth adjustment lets you countersink nails perfectly every time, and the jam release is genuinely quick, no tiny tools needed. Plus, the dual LED lights illuminate your work area and even show tool diagnostics. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it's steep if you're not using it regularly. Also, it doesn't include a battery or charger, so you're looking at another $100 if you don't already own DeWalt 20V tools. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, this integrates seamlessly. And for pros or serious renovators, the reliability and precision justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, serious woodworker, or already use DeWalt 20V tools. Skip this one if you only do occasional home projects or hate investing in battery platforms. It's expensive, but it's built to last decades.
Product number 3, Ryobi P321 Airstrike 18 volt. The Ryobi P321 sits right in the middle, $134, 5.2 pounds, and part of the massive Ryobi One Plus system. What stands out immediately is how quiet it is compared to pneumatic nailers, and it's compatible with over 200 other Ryobi tools. If you want solid performance without breaking the bank and love tool ecosystem flexibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's fully cordless, so no hoses or compressors to lug around. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery drives consistent power across materials, and Ryobi claims it can handle up to 420 nails per charge, though real-world use might be closer to 300 to 350. It fires 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 to 2 inches, which covers most trim, paneling, and finish work. The tool-free jam release and depth adjustment make it user-friendly, and the balance feels natural in hand. Now, some people complained about occasional misfires or reduced power in cold weather. Here's the thing though, this is common with many cordless nailers, and Ryobi's batteries tend to perform well even in mild cold. It's not as refined as DeWalt or Milwaukee, but for the price, it's impressively capable. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner doing frequent renovations or already own Ryobi tools. Skip this one if you need maximum power for hardwoods or work in extreme climates. For the price and ecosystem value,
It's a smart pick. Product number 4, Craftsman V20 CMCN 618B. Craftsman's V20 broad nailer comes in at $159 and feels like a step up from entry-level tools. It's compact, well-balanced, and drives up to 420 nails per charge. The red and black design is classic Craftsman, and it includes a handy belt hook. Small detail, but useful on a job site. If you want a reliable, mid-range cordless nailer from a trusted brand, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The motor delivers consistent power across different materials, including hard or softwoods, and it performs well in varying temperatures, something cheaper models struggle with. The tool-free jam release and stall reset make maintenance easy, and the lightweight design reduces fatigue during long sessions. It uses 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inches, so it's versatile for trim, moldings, and light cabinet work. Now, some people complained about the battery life not quite matching the 420 nail claim, especially under heavy use. Here's the thing though, most users still get 300 plus nails, which is plenty for a full day of trim work. And since it uses Craftsman's V20 batteries, you can swap in a spare if needed. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable tool for home improvement without going pro grade. Skip this one if you need maximum runtime or already invest in a different battery platform. It's a great balance of price, performance, and brand trust.
Product number 5, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Brad Nailer. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel is the heavyweight here, $329, built for performance. It uses Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor and red lithium batteries, delivering pro-level power and runtime. At around 6 pounds, it's not the lightest, but it feels solid and balanced. If you want top-tier power, precision, and durability from a brand known for tough tools, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brushless motor and advanced battery tech give you consistent driving power, even in hard materials like oak or maple, without depth adjustment tweaks. The tool-free depth control and jam release are smooth and reliable, and the LED lights are bright and well-placed. It also has a stall release lever, so if the motor binds, you can reset it instantly without disassembling anything. Now, some people complained about the price and weight. It's not ideal for overhead work or tight spaces. Here's the thing though, this is built for pros who drive hundreds of nails a day. If you're doing finish work on a whole house, the efficiency and reliability pay off fast. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious builder who demands maximum performance. Skip this one if you're a casual DIYer or sensitive to tool weight. It's expensive, but it's one of the best cordless brad nailers money can buy.
So which one's best? The Bielmeier is unbeatable for light DIY under $30. Ryobi and Craftsman offer great mid-range value, especially if you're in their ecosystems. DeWalt and Milwaukee are pro-grade, worth it if you use them daily. Price doesn't always mean better for your needs. Pick based on how you'll actually use it.